Hi, and welcome to the Kids Beauty Closet, where every day new and exciting launches make their arrival. As beauty director, I'm the lucky one who gets to try them all out, so I'm going to tell you about a few of my favorite things that have recently landed on these shelves. First up is this super scrumptious lip oil from Burt's Bees. It comes in two flavors. I like the sweet almond oil one because I like all the brown flavors of ice cream, like chocolate and hazelnut and coffee. But if you like the colorful fruity ones, you might want to check out the passion fruit one. But regardless of taste, these wrap lips in rich, unctuous moisture, and they feel absolutely divine. They also add a hint of shine and give you healthy, juicy, non-Canadian winter lips, which we all know is no easy feat. On to another oil now, this time for your face. And though this product is not technically new, the brand recently relaunched and really doubled down on its commitment to sustainability, which is wonderful. I also recently met the founder of this great brand, Fran Miller, who is this impossibly cool creature. So cool, in fact, that when she casually mentioned a cafe she liked in Hamilton, I drove to it that very week because I thought, if that woman thinks that cafe is cool, it must be amazing. And it was, and so is her face oil. I've been using it to give myself a daily face massage. That was actually one of my New Year's resolutions, and it's been making my mornings and my skin so much brighter. All right, let's talk hair now. First, a little background. I am the kind of person who is very envious of anyone who can make a blowout last for a week or go 3 or 4 days without washing their hair. Not my case at all. By day 2, my hygiene looks very questionable, which makes me hopelessly addicted to dry shampoo. But that dry shampoo tends to leave a buildup on my hair. So I like to use a scalp scrub once a week to start fresh, get all the gunk out. I've tried the Goop one, I've tried the Christopher Bang ones, and they're all absolutely amazing, but they're also quite expensive. So I was really excited to see this guy from Nexus. It's actually coming out in February, so any day now, and it costs a very accessible $20. Best of all, it's free of parabens, dyes, and sulfates, and it's just a really good, simple product that gets the job done. Moving on to this mist now, it's from Garnier's new Bio range, which is certified organic. Very exciting news. It's a whole line of beautiful, clean skincare. The packaging is recyclable and made of recycled materials, so just wonderful all around. I chose to spotlight this mist because I'm just addicted to misting myself and offering to mist anyone in my immediate vicinity. So I know a good mist when I see one, and this one really passed the test. It's made with argan, so it's deeply nourishing and just naturally smells amazing. There's no artificial fragrance in this. I do find the atomizer just a tad aggressive, so I like to sort of create a cloud above my head and let the droplets softly fall onto my face, and I kind of like pat it in, and I feel and look so much more refreshed. Last but not least is this complexion milk from Clarins. Now, I am lactose intolerant, but I fully approve of this milk right here. It goes on white and then magically adjusts your skin tone, but it's not one of those one-size-fits-all situations. There's actually 5 shades in the range, and they each suit a broad assortment of skin tones. What I love is the finish. It's so natural and fresh and glowy, but it doesn't feel like you're wearing a thing. And I reach for this when I want something quick and easy and don't want to fully beauty blend a foundation and do the powder and do all the things. So it's a great one. And that concludes my faves of the month. I hope you enjoy them just as much as I do, and please join us next time for a whole new crop of beauty goodies.